What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the new brawler Meg from Brawl Stars. Let's begin in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. We're going to start on the top left. Just going to work our way down towards the bottom of our circle. And go all the way back up towards the top. Now we're going to leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same thing on the right. So just line up the top of the circle. Bring that down towards the same height. And then back up towards the top. Now you want to push the pupils towards the inside of each eye. Starting on the left, draw an oval, coming down, and then back up. Let's line up the top, come down, and then up, and then we'll fill the pupils in black. Let's add the lashes on the side of the eye. Starting on the top left, it's going to curve down, and then up. And then from the top, curve this down and in towards the side of the eye. And then we'll fill the lashes in black. Let's add in the eyebrows. Starting on top of the left eye, we're just going to angle this down and in. Line up the inside on the right, angle up and out. Let's flatten off the inside with a short angled line coming in. All that line going out towards the side. And we'll close off the end and fill the eyebrows in black. Let's move to the center of the face and draw on the nose. We're going to start over on the left side, add a curve, going down and then up. Now we're going to move up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Let's move down and draw on the mouth. Starting back over on the left, curve down, then up. Let's go back to the left side, draw the bottom of the mouth, coming down, and then up. Now we're going to add the top row of teeth. Starting over on the left, curve down, and then up. And then on the left side of the mouth, curve the tongue going up, and then down. We'll fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now that we've drawn the face, let's move up and draw the bottom edge of the hat. We're going to start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up above the eyebrows, and we'll bend that back down on the right. Let's go back to the left side and draw on the top of the hat. Starting out here, we'll draw a half circle. We're going to go up, bend that in towards the middle, go across, and then bring that back down on the right side. Let's add some detail to the hat. We're going to start on the top left, add a seam coming in and then down. Line up the top over on the right and do the same thing. Let's add in that strap. Starting on the left side, draw a straight line going across. Now on the left side, we're going to go straight up along the side of the strap. Draw another straight line going across towards the right. Let's close off the right side with a curve, going around and then in. And then we'll add 3 circles along that strap. Start with one small circle on the left, one on the right, and then one in the middle. Now I'm going to go back to the top left side of that strap, curve this up and then in towards the center, and then we'll add the hair, going up, around and then in like a circle. Step up, add another curve, going around and then in towards the top right side of the strap. Now we're going to go all the way up to the top and add that button. On the left, curve up and then down. Now with the hat in place, let's draw the side of the head. On the left side, we're going to step in, draw a straight line coming down the side of the head to right about there. Go to the right, step in, and draw another line coming down towards the same height. Let's connect the ends with a curve. We're going to bring this down underneath the mouth, round up the chin, and pull that up on the right. Let's add that hair along the side. From the bottom corner, curve out and then in. Add one smaller curve, coming down and in towards the side of the head. And now we're going to tuck the ears in underneath the hair, starting over on the left, curve the ear coming down and then in towards the side of the head. Now from here we're going to move down and draw the top edge of the body. We start all the way over on the left side, draw a straight line going across towards the right. And then from the ends, we'll angle this up and out. Let's extend the body going out towards the side with a straight line. Let's add in that glass shield. We're going to connect these 2 points with a curve. We're going to go up towards the mouth, round this out, and then come back down. And we'll tuck the body in behind. On the left side of the head, curve this out and then down. Let's move to the center and draw in the collar, angling up and out toward the left underneath the head, go back to the middle, go up towards the right. And now we're going to add those pipes along the side. On the left side, draw a straight line going up, go to the inside, draw another line, connect the ends with a half circle, going up and then down. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with the inside, same thing on the right, and then we'll close off the top. And then we'll add a seam along the bottom. Starting on the left, step up, draw a straight line going across. Let's go back and finish off the hair. Starting from the outside of the ear, curve this out, and then in behind the side of the pipe. And we'll line this up on the inside of the pipe, curve down, and then up. Let's go back and finish off the body. From these 2 points, we're going to draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom, right about there. Same thing on the right. And we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Now on the outside, we're going to draw another straight line coming down. So we go a little bit higher than that center line, and we'll pull that in along the side. Now we're going to add some detail to the body. Let's start on either side with an upside down triangle, starting with a straight line. And then we'll pull this down and in towards the middle. Let's line this up on the right, going across, then down towards the center. And then we'll tuck a circle in behind, starting on the left side, go all the way around, and then back up. Now we're going to go to the center and draw a straight line going across the top. Let's round up the ends with a bracket, coming all the way around and then in. And then we'll close off the bottom with another straight line. Let's trace this along the inside, starting with the top, round up the sides, and then we'll close off the bottom. Let's add 3 lines inside, starting with the middle, move out to the side, and add 1 more. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw on the arms. Let's start by drawing a large circle, starting from the side of the body. We go all the way around, down along the side, and then back up on the inside. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Going up, go all the way around, and then back in. Let's go to the top of that circle, curve the arm going up and in toward the side of the body. Now let's place the calipers along the inside. We're going to start on the left. From the top left, let's step down, draw a short angled line going across. From the ends, angle down and in towards the middle. And then we'll close off the inside. Let's take that and duplicate it along the bottom. Start with the inside with a straight line. Come down with an angled line towards the bottom, and we'll close off the end. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. Starting from the top, start with the outside, come in towards the middle, and we'll close this off. Let's leave a gap and do that again. Now we draw a circle in behind the calipers. Start from the bottom, draw a circle going all the way around, and then up, go up to the top, go all the way around, and it'll fill the inside in black. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going all the way around and down, go along the bottom, and it'll fill in the inside. We're also going to add a seam across the top and bottom, starting with a straight line. Do the same thing along the bottom, and go over towards the right. Now let's move back in and draw on the legs. From this point, we're going to step in, curve the leg going out, and then down towards the ankle, move over towards the right, going the opposite direction. Let's round out the bottom. Curve down and then up towards the outside of the leg. And it'll follow the same curve going up and in underneath the body. Let's add a couple lines across the legs. From the bottom left, step up, curve down and up. Then we'll move up and do that again. Let's go back to the left side and add a thick trim around the ankle. From the bottom corner, step up, curve out, across the bottom, and then back in underneath the leg. Let's do the same thing on the right. It's like drawing an oval. Let's go to the inside of the cuff, curve the foot coming in and then down towards the heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot coming down and then up. Now let's go back to the side and draw a half circle. Starting on the outside, curve up, and then bring that back down. Now we're going to close off the outside of the foot. Start from the outside of the cuff, curve the foot going out, and then down. Let's add a small circle inside the heel, starting on the left, and then the right side. I'm going to add that one last detail across the bottom, starting from the inside of the leg, angle down and in, and then we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Now let's head back to our computer and I'll show you how to color this in. Now to color my drawings, I use Adobe Photoshop, but you're welcome to use anything you have around the house. So the first thing I do is take a photo of my drawing in a well-lit area and then upload it to my computer using a USB cable or sending it by email. We're going to launch Photoshop, import our drawing, and then adjust our black and white levels. Once I have a clean and clear image, I'll copy and paste that into a new channel, invert my drawing so it's white on black, go back to my layers, create a new layer, select that channel in that new layer, and then fill that in black. Now I always like to start with my main color blocks first. So using my magic wand, I'll select the areas that I want to color and then fill that in with a color of my choice. Once I have all my color blocks filled in, I'll select one layer and then add my shadows and highlights and then add a little bit more detail where needed, and that's pretty much it. That's how I color using Adobe Photoshop. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, check out this playlist up above or one of these lessons over here. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.